welcome back to your favorite Ashish cooking channel, House of Delicious and Spices. So today I am going to introduce one of the easy, tasty, healthy and the weight loss recipe made with exotic vegetable. So that is broccoli soup. So let's begin by adding the required amount of water to boil the broccoli. I have taken around 200 ml of water to boil 100 grams of broccoli. While boiling the water, I am going to add some salt to enhance the broccoli taste. Stir it once in a while and boil up to 70%. Ensure you don't overcook them. So now it's time to transfer the broccolis to another container. I'm going to allow them to cool for some time. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 1 chopped onion and cook till it turns to a golden brown in medium flame. So now add the boiled broccoli florets and cook till it gets tender. Once the mixture completely cools down, transfer the mixture to a mixie jar and blend it to a smooth paste. Add the water if required. So now the broccoli paste is ready. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add 1/4 teaspoon of corn flour. Cook till it gets to a thick texture. So now add 150 ml of milk. Once it is heated, add the broccoli paste. Mix them well in medium flame. Add the required amount of water as per your consistency. So now it's time to season the soup. Add 1/4 teaspoon each of pepper powder, garam masala and jeera powder. Add the salt as per your taste. So the broccoli soup is ready. So that is about today's episode. For more recipes in English, please like, share and subscribe to your favorite Ashish cooking channel, House of Delicious and Spices.